This aloo chop or potato fritters is a famous street food in various states of the country with different names. The process of making aloo chop is similar to batata vada or bonda. However, the taste of aloo chop and batata vada is slightly different. It is because of the ingredients used in preparing the stuffing. It is a street food of Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa and many other states of India. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Mita. So let's begin today's recipe potato fritters. Before that, let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are baking powder, ginger and green chili paste, turmeric powder, salt, chaat masala, coriander, cumin seed, few red chili whole, red chili powder. With that, besan, coriander leaf chop and boiled potato. Now let's begin the recipe. Before that, let us dry roast the cumin and coriander seed with that red chili whole. In a heated pan, add half teaspoon of coriander seed and half teaspoon of cumin seed, 3 to 4 red chili whole, dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns fragrant. Then remove it and make a fine powder with the help of a mixer grinder and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Next, after removing the roasted masala into the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil, and once it heats up, then we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger and green chili paste. Over here, I have used 2 to 3 green chili, but you can adjust the hotness according to your taste bud. Now saute it for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw aroma goes away. Then we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste bud. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder and then add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now again stir it well in a very low flame or the masala will burn. Next, into it add handful of coriander leaves chopped. After adding all this, we will add 3 boiled potato. You need to mash with your hand before adding into this masala. You can also smash the potato with a smasher. If you don't have, you can use your hand always. Now you have to mix the masala well in a very low flame until the entire masala are well coated with the boiled potatoes. Once the masala mix well with the potatoes, then add 1 teaspoon of the roasted masala which you have done at the beginning of your recipe. After adding this roasted masala, again mix well and then switch off the flame. Let this potato fillings cool down at room temperature. Do check the taste and add more salt or spices powder if required. Now, further on the other side, we will make small to medium sized potato cutlet or patties with your both hands. For the prepared stuffing, then roll it on the basin so that it doesn't stick with each other. And once you're done with the entire stuffing ready, then we will move to the other part of the recipe. Do you know that the taste of aloo chop is very different from the Maharashtrian batata vada and a South Indian potato bonda? Since along when onions, various other spices and herbs are added in the potato filling, also there is no curry leaves added in aloo chop. Now our entire potato fritters are ready to deep fry. For this, we need to make a batter. So let's move on to the next part of this recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup of roasted besan. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. After adding all these dry ingredients, let us add water, but you need to add water in batches so that the batter doesn't become too thick or too thin. I will show you, just follow this video. So whisk to a smooth and thick batter. Do add water as required depending on the quality of the besan. You can add less or more water the way I have shown you in this video. And our batter is ready now. At last, dip the potato cutlet in the besan batter. Coat it well with the batter. Then gently slide or place the batter coated potato cutlet in the hot oil. But before doing this process, keep in mind you need to heat oil for deep frying in a karai. Add a small spoon of batter in the oil. If the batter comes up steadily on top of the oil is ready for frying. Now add in batches these besan coated potato fritters and slowly deep fry in a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes from both the sides so that it turns crispy, crunchy and golden. Now, when one side is light brown and lightly crispy, then turn them over with a slaughter spoon and fry the second side. Again turn them over with the second side in a light golden or golden brown. This way, fry turning them as required so that they get evenly golden and crispy. When the aloo chops get a nice golden color, then remove them with a spoon and serve them with puffed rice and sprinkle some rock salt on top. So why are you waiting for? Just run into your pantry and make this aloo chop today for evening snacks with a hot cup of tea. And if you think today's recipe you like it the most, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy this summer the fullest. See you again. Bye bye.